Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Although the calendar says October, still July-like weather. Got one more weekend of it, then we're done for a while. We hope maybe until May or June of next year. Temperatures in the mid-90s tomorrow, lower 90s Sunday, then a couple of fronts in the forecast for Monday and Friday. So let's get to it and go outside. And from an elevated point of view, we got a nice weather shot here coming in this afternoon with sunny skies. Downtown Lafayette got the Latin Fest going tomorrow. A lot going on. You got Joan Jett and Hart playing at the Cajun Dome, and a lot of stuff going on throughout the entire weekend. So get out and enjoy it, but be wary. Still, the heat is on. And this afternoon, the heat has been also sparking off showers and storms as a weak frontal boundary has been pushing into the area, and some pretty hefty storms, especially north of Baton Rouge. In fact, right around Baton Rouge, severe thunderstorm warning going right now, and we have a couple of strong cells in Acadiana proper that are producing some localized gusty winds down toward Esterwood, and then this particular cell up in Evangeline Parish showing a fair bit of magenta and positive cloud-to-ground lightning. So that means more than likely damaging winds and the possibility of hail. In fact, let's go ahead and take a look at the hail product here and notice the model showing maybe upwards of a half or 3/4 of an inch size hail. So a little hail in the mix. Might even see a severe thunderstorm warning for this cell just north of Mamou and west of the Ville Platte area. So we'll back it up and take a look at that cell once again, and we'll get rid of the key here. And again, you can see that cell right between Pine Prairie and Mamou, more than likely producing some hail, but these storms will lose a little steam as we lose that daytime heating factor that occurs in the next half hour to 45 minutes. You can kind of see that little bit of a boundary there. We have deeper tropical moisture that's moved into the region, so on top of the high heat, we're getting some humidity as well. Tropics for now, all is relatively quiet. We'll kind of skip through that because we want to show you a little bit more on the thunderstorm activity. Meanwhile, as we look ahead on the European model, hot through this weekend, then cooler air coming in for Monday. We'll have a nice couple of days for Tuesday into Wednesday, and then lo and behold, here comes the next front that gets here Friday, and that sets up an even cooler weekend. We'll get a better delivery of cool air for that secondary front as we go later next week. So on our NAM futurecast here, it is really picking up on the showers and storms, and they will persist western portions of Acadiana through 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. So factor that into your evening plans. Then tomorrow, partly cloudy to start the day, mostly sunny once again. It looks like it's going to be another day without storms, and then by late afternoon, early evening, there will be some scattered activity. We're going with rain chance at about 30% late tomorrow afternoon into early tomorrow evening. Then Sunday, it looks like slightly drier, more stable air, so rain chance in the 20% range. And all in all, after tomorrow, I think we're done with the heat indices approaching near 100. That's where we will be tomorrow afternoon. So as we look down the road, we'll see temperatures mid-90s tomorrow, lower 90s Sunday. Monday comes the front with scattered showers, a pretty good bet, maybe some rumbles of thunder. Tuesday, Wednesday look fantastic, lows in the mid-60s, and an even cooler front that gets us into the 50s at night for next weekend.
We're all looking forward to that. Exactly. Thanks so much, Rob.